Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to set Zoom meetings background images. Whether you are working from home, attending virtual classes or just catching up with friends online, first impression matter, even on Zoom. One of the easiest ways to upgrade your video call game is by adding a custom background image. You can hide a messy room, show off your brand, or just have a little fun. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set a background image in Zoom, step by step, and super simple. Let's dive in. First, open the Zoom desktop app on your computer. Make sure you are signed in to your account, of course. Next, click on the gear icon in the top right corner. That opens your Zoom settings. Now in the settings menu, click on background effects or virtual background. The wording may vary lightly depending on your Zoom version. And that's it. If you want to get a virtual background, of course I'm using an avatar from here. If you want to get a virtual background, you can just click on virtual background and choose one. Alright, that's it. From here, where you can get a virtual background, guys. And thank you for watching. That's it, the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye.